360 times 2.
Public education in America hasn't changed much since it began in the mid-19th century, with a curriculum adopted from Prussia that featured reading, writing, and arithmetic, taught in separate periods, ruled by the clock.
In schools, subjects tend to be hermetically sealed off from each other. So you do science on a Thursday morning, you do math in the afternoons. And this is really a feature of education, because outside of education, people know naturally that all these things flow in and out of each other, that disciplines affect each other.
All these digital photographs actually fill in the missing parts.
We don't live in an industrial economy anymore. We live in a knowledge economy, and so we have to think about education in a fundamentally different way.
Look where the water's falling.
We can't be focusing on basic facts and basic skills. We have to think about ways of thinking that are going to matter more than what we do in traditional schools right now.
You want to be a photojournalist? Oh, all right.
One successful approach to curriculum design is integrated studies, which blends various subjects and brings them into meaningful association, often through projects. Integration provides students with a depth and breadth of understanding that goes beyond individual subject matter knowledge.
It's called the circumference of the circle. So when you measure around...
At Ferryway School, the Ironworks project, which is a collaborative effort of a dozen teachers, integrates math,
Maybe 2 millimeters.
art, English, history, and science.
What's this simple machine right here? Wheel and axle, right.
The project's not just about the water wheel, it's not just about the Saugus Ironworks. It's about all of the subject areas being brought together, the rocks and minerals, the simple machines, the technology concepts.
Right-click.
Brain research supports the notion that learning increases when information is presented in meaningful, connected patterns.
And it looks like shiny metal. If you're in different classes, you sometimes forget because your mind's on one class and then you have to be focused on another class. But when it's all together, you could just focus on one thing because it's all the same.
Success in integrated studies requires flexibility in scheduling and collaboration among teachers. Studies show that benefits include a sense of teamwork, a faster retrieval of information, and higher attendance and homework completion.
Here we go!
Often you don't have the chance to show kids that education is real, that there's value to it, and they get a chance to put that all together. And it's just wonderful seeing their enthusiasm, and the teachers too. It's not easy, but we know what the benefits are, so that's why we do it.
We have a lift!
For more information on what works in public education, go to edutopia.org.